Our Catco heaters are useful in a lot of different areas, in enclosures, instrument gas heaters, and especially in space heating. And although it's not necessary for them to have stuff, things like this, a reflector, a face grill, these are nice little things that can make a big difference out in the field. Let me show you how. Something like a face grill is going to be very helpful to that. These are actually mounted to the front of the heater itself, giving it just a little bit of space and a lot more rigidity so that any sort of accidental bumps, bruises, brush up against is not going to be touching the actual face of the heater, which can damage the catalyst. Face grill gives you a little bit of extra space so that it's going to protect people walking by, equipment, and other individuals that might come into close contact with a Catco heater when it's running. Second up is going to be our reflector. Now, the purpose of the reflector unit is so that more energy is directed where you need it. Although infrared energy is very good at focusing on what needs to be heated, the shine coming out of this heater is going to need to be directed just slightly more if you need a tighter focus or even more energy on point. That's where these angled edges and the sidebars that are flat are going to come into play. These are going to reflect that energy more directly onto where this heater is aiming. And these are easy to mount onto the heater, right onto the same brackets that are being used to hold the heater for space heating.